Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. And in my today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful Halo eye look. It is super easy. We also call it as a spotlight eye look because the center of attraction is the center of your lid. Today I am using Cat 1D palette. It's the very first palette that I ever bought, and I haven't used it a lot, but the colors are really pretty. So to start this look, I'm going in with light gray eyeshadow on my crease, and I have blended light gray on my crease using fluffy blending brush. Then I am adding dark eyeshadow. It's a darker gray in the inner lid and outer lid, keeping a gap in the center, and also then connecting those two corners from the crease area. So you can see it's a pattern where I'm just adding dark eyeshadow and blending it, and then I'm using a white matte eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone because it's a Halo eye look. I don't want to use a shimmer in my brow area. And then I'm ensuring everything is blended and there are no harsh edges on the crease. After blending this shade, I'm going to use Emco Beauty concealer, packing it on my lid using a flat brush. Now the trick for this spot is you have to ensure you're putting the concealer right on top of your iris or pupil, whatever you say, and then pack on some shimmer. I'm using Champagne Shimmer from James Charles palette, and then I am softening the edges of the concealer so that it looks a bit blended, not harsh, if you get what I mean. And then I'm again taking the same darker eyeshadow in my lower lash line, creating a gap in the corners, like using the dark shadow in the corners of my lower lash and the white shimmer shade in the center, and then blending all these three together. If you want, you can leave it as is. I don't know, I like to blend it just to give symmetry. Then adding some kohl from Essence Cosmetics and adding some mascara. It's a L'Oreal Telescopic Lift, and some She Glam lashes. This is my complete look. Hope the tutorial is easy, and if you love my videos, then do subscribe to my channel. See you again.